So we're going to take out the idle mixture screw, which is this piece. And it's important to remember where it is exactly. So we're going to screw it down and count how many times it turns to get to the bottom. So there's one, there's a half, there's two, or there's two, and then 2.5. Then to remember that, I'm gonna write that down. I wrote it down, 2 1/4 idle mixture screw, so I remember that it's at that position. Then we're gonna take it out. There's the idle mixture screw piece. There is also a spring inside here, and so all you're going to do is just tip it upside down, or right side up, and take that spring out. Then that idle mixture screw is kind of below that piece, and so that screw is just going to go right there on top of that idle mixture screw. There is also a washer and a packing where the idle mixture screw was, and so you're gonna gently get something and kind of poke around in there. You're gonna tip it over. Ooh. And you're going to want to make sure not to poke all the way at the end, because it is a little sensitive down there. So there's the washer. And then the next piece is to get the packing out. And I do see it. So I got a little thing and try to get it out. And there's the packing. Next step is to take off the bowl, which is this whole top piece. And so you're just going to take out 4 screws. So you're gonna just lift up on it, and there's like a O-ring that we're gonna replace with the new kit we got. Then there's the inside, and so we're gonna just set these aside along with the screws and put those back in where they go. And so that was towards the bottom, the very bottom. Next step is to get the floats out, which is this big piece. And there is a pin right here. And all you're going to do is just poke it out like that. Hold on to your floats and pull out the pin. And take out the float. And you're also going to get a little piece, which is called the float valve, with it. You're just gonna set those aside. So those are inside of this, but they're also at the bottom. So the next step is to take out the main jet, which is this piece. And so to do that, you're gonna get pliers and hold it around there and get a flathead and twist it off. So there's that piece. Then you're also going to take out this. And so there's that piece. At the bottom of the main jet, there is one more piece to come out, which is inside of here. And normally you would tap it out. Ours just kind of came out. And there's like a little lip type thing. So this is the top. And that's the bottom. And so that would go that way with that piece and go up and down like that. We'll be taking out the pilot jet, which is in this hole right here. And all you need is a flathead screwdriver. And gotta give it a good crank, and it comes right out. And this would go somewhere over here, just like that. But we will be cleaning these pieces, just the metal pieces, not this piece. Not this piece, but just the metal pieces. And some carburetor cleaner